plant killer here, Jessie with Living on a Prayer Flower Farm, and today is bulb day. Time to get these tulip bulbs into the ground. Let's get started. Okay, so these tulip bulbs have been in my refrigerator for the past 10 weeks. I didn't realize in my zone 8B, that they had to be pre-chilled, and I can't find anywhere where I can buy them pre-chilled. So as soon as I got them in August, they sat in my room in some good ventilation before I read, hey, if you live in Louisiana, you really need to pre-chill those bulbs. So they've been sitting in a refrigerator, being chilled, and now it's time to get them in the ground. So today we will be planting all the tulip bulbs. I have no clue how many. Let's see. Okay, so I've got 10 Dream Touch tulip bulbs. Don't remember at all what any of these look like. I've got 100 Wedding Gift Collection tulips. I've got 50 of the Queensland, 50 of the Sweet Lady tulips, and 50 of the Marshmellow collection. I don't know. I ordered these back in July. I don't remember what any of these look like, but I'll post pictures up in the description. I'll post pictures beside me so that you can see what they actually look like. Tulips are going to go in a trench, so I've got to get started with digging all of that and getting it ready for these tulips. Let's get started. Okay, so me and my helper Wade have dug the trench. We are going to put in tulip wedding gift first. I've got 100 of these bulbs, and you can see I dug a trench. It's about 4 inches deep, and this is where the bulbs are going to go. We're going to plant them egg carton style, which means they're going to be right next to each other. The great thing about tulips is they can go really close together. So let's get that done. Alright y'all, so the wedding gift collection's in. I had a few rotten bulbs that are in there, not too many considering, but as you can see they're just in there pointy side up. They're close together, and we'll get the rest of them going. Alright, so all the bulbs are in the ground. I've got 10 of the Dream Touch, which are in the very front, and then we have Sweet Lady. And then we have Queensland, which also came with some great hydrangeas. Not hydrangeas, hydrangea something. I'll put in it. The next one is Chocolate Candy. And then the next one is, gosh, I don't even remember. Marshmellows. And then our beautiful wedding gift back there. So now we're going to cover these babies up. And then I'm going to go and find some pine straw to lay over as my mulch. I need the leaf rake to rake up pine straw. But I think it's in here. And I'm not going in here. Let me show you why. I ain't getting any closer. Do you see that? That is a massive spider. I will do a lot of things. That ain't one of them. I hate spiders. Gosh, I hate them. Ugh. So, since I'm too chicken to go in the shed, I'm going to use the landscape rake, which is not for raking up pine straw, but it's going to be today. And I had to get on the tarp to get it, and the tarp looks fluffy. It looks fluffy. And I don't like the fact it looks fluffy, so it made me scared that maybe, just maybe, the grass wasn't dying, but I took a peek. You see that? You see that? That, my friends, is dead grass. Look at it. It's dying. So, the black plastic's working great. The grass is dying. Yes. Let's go rake out some pine straw. I found the rake. My kids left it out. Oh, I've got a rake. Look at that beautiful thing. Awesome. So the best place to get pine straw right now is my driveway. Constantly's barking at me because she thinks I'm a burglar. So let's get started. Alright guys, there you have it. The tulips are in the ground. They've been covered. I forgot to do my labels. Let me do that real quick. So the tulip bulbs are in the ground. They've been labeled. They've been mulched. Hopefully they will emerge in February to March and I'll have beautiful tulips. I thought with over 200 tulips they'd take up a lot more space than what they did, but I guess that's the great thing about tulips is they don't take up much space. And I did have a few rotten ones in the bag. I think I had a total of 10 out of 200, so I guess that's not too bad. But man, my marshmallow mix was the majority of that. I had 6 rotten bulbs that I couldn't use, so that's disappointing. But we'll see how these do. Hopefully, this is my first year ever growing tulips, so I'm pretty excited. The deer like them. Watching you, deer. So, we'll see how they do, and thanks guys for joining. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.